All right, lots of clouds and a big slug of moisture headed our way for tonight into the wee hours of the morning. We're talking gusty winds out there. Healthy storm front. Looks stronger than probably anything we've seen the last couple of weeks. So we will look at, I should say, the current watches and warnings. Winter storm warnings up across the high country. We've got high wind advisories in the Central Valley. Gale warnings along the coast. And high wind advisories up across the Curry County coast at this hour as well, just north of the Oregon border. So it looks like it's going to be a blustery and wet night across the region as lots of clouds moved over the area today. A few light showers, upper level moisture crossing the area. But look what's cooling up just offshore here as the cold front itself has yet to cross the shoreline. We're still in the warm sector, picking up some overrunning clouds and warm rain showers. We're going to cool down tomorrow as the cooler air settles in, drop us down into the mid-50s. A few low 60s popping up today. Gaspee at 62, out at the airport in McKinleyville 60, Neyland to cool 47, 58 on Humboldt Bay, 55 in Willow Creek. Snow levels will start out high tonight, 4,500 feet to 5,000 by late tomorrow night into early Saturday. Look for that snow level to drop to about 3,000 feet. As a very well-shaped frontal boundary heads our way. Boy, that's textbook. Look at that sucker. A lot of moisture in there. Again, we're in the warm sector right now. Here comes the colder air right here. This will be the front with the gustiest winds and the heaviest rain associated with this frontal boundary. I'd look for that in the wee hours of the morning, maybe first thing, about go-to-work time, as there could be a few isolated thunderstorms along that frontal boundary as well. Wouldn't surprise me in the least. And the winds will peak out then in the 20 to 40 mile an hour range out of the south. As always, that could mean some power outages in and around the region. And then behind the front, through the day tomorrow, here comes the colder air. This will keep the showers going tomorrow afternoon and evening into Saturday morning as snow levels drop to about 3,000 feet in the colder air mass. Looks like a bit of a break by Saturday afternoon into Sunday. Another round of rain headed our way Monday night into Tuesday, tapering off on Wednesday. Same scenario, warm rain here, followed by colder air mass. You know the routine. These are marching right towards us, so it doesn't look like they're going to go to our south here, as has been the pattern for the last several months. So I do believe we will catch the brunt of this moisture. It looks like it could pile up in the rainfall bucket, up to 1 to 3 inches of rain for the coastal plains, a little more than that up in the high country, and the computer models bring it all on shore through the day tomorrow, winding down to showers by tomorrow night. Bit of a break by Saturday afternoon. But as mentioned, there's more on the way. Heavy snow again in the northeast, heavy rains in the south central states, and we're about to get ours as well. For a quick look at your national weather pattern, with lows tonight expected to be in the mid to upper 40s at the coast, mid to low 40s out across the interior, cooling down into the mid 50s coast side tomorrow, low 50s out across the interior. And as we get a look at the offshore forecast here tonight, gale warning up with a hazardous sea warning as well. Winds out of the southeast, 15 to 25 knots, some higher gusts, lumpy seas. No big surprise there, as we'll see the brunt of the moisture develop late tonight into tomorrow and continue on and off through the day, tapering off to showers by Saturday. And then we're going to do it all over again come the beginning of the week, just because we like it. How's that for a reason? As we see isolated thunderstorm potential through tomorrow morning as well. Taking a look at our 3-degree contestant for tonight, Greg Gray of McKinleyville wins the desk clock from Corky over Redwood Coast Cellular, so there'll be $60 in the prize pool tomorrow night. And we'll see how that plays out then.
Okay, thanks, Jim.
You bet. Yeah, now Manny joins us with sports. And Manny, the CR men off to a good start in the playoffs.
Yeah, moving on to the semifinals. We do return tonight. The Humboldt State men's basketball team moves a step closer to earning the conference title. The slide continues for HSU women's basketball, and a CR baseball player is honored for his play on the diamond. Stay with us. Sports is next.
Weather 24 hours a day. Go to KIEM-TV.com and click on the weather webcast for your North Coast weather and forecast. Brought to you by Blue Lake Casino and Hotel.